Hello friends, this is Chandra B. Iyer again from KACC Kalamandiram Arts and Crafts classes. Friends, I had promised you to teach drawing some pots for still life like this. So for that we had practiced some circles also, some ovals like this, and also wavy lines made by forming an eight. Now, why did we practice these circles? So that your eye-hand coordination will improve, right? We also saw the objectives behind learning still life. And what is still life? The first objective being to be able to enable you to draw objects. What is still life then? They remain still. Like these objects that you see, they remain still. They pose before you like a Bollywood star or Hollywood star or a model. They remain still, but you add life into them by making them a 3D effect. What is 2D? Two-dimensional. 3D is three-dimensional. How do we do it? We will learn in the next class. Otherwise, it will become a very elongated video and you will be the first one to escape. Let's see. If you have to learn to draw a pot, you have to know the various parts of a pot. It has a mouth, a pot has a neck. It might be slender or it might be very small neck, short neck like this. Or it might have an elongated neck like this, looking slender and pretty, or maybe like this. Okay, so that's the neck. And then shoulder, like how we human beings have. Then also it has a stomach and belly, like how again we have. Then a bottom. These are the parts of a symmetrical. Why did I say symmetrical? Symmetrical means the left side portion, whatever you draw, is equal to the right side. Left equal to right. You must have seen in the Taj Mahal this monument, famous monument. I have drawn just a layout, not fully. You can see if you divide the image of this Taj Mahal, you can see that left portion is equal to the right side. That is what I meant by symmetrical object. Okay. Now we have seen how to draw a glass. It is symmetrical. See, first we will be drawing with straight lines. Then we will draw the lid, mouth. If at all lid is there, you can draw that also. Then afterwards we can render with pencil and other mediums to give it a 3D effect.